Hi there, if you wanna switch to the dark mode on your Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, let me show you how. For that, we just need to open settings, then go in the display tab, and now in the very top of the screen you can see two options, light theme and dark theme. So if you wanna switch to the dark theme, you just need to simply select it like that, and now everything will be black but the text will be white, and reverse if you select light theme. So after that you can check its settings. Here you can enable to turn on as scheduled and just choose one of two options, sunset to sunrise or set your custom schedule. And here you can select your start time and your end time. Don't forget to switch between AM and PM and save these changes by tapping this done button. Great. And now you can also just swipe down 2 times to trigger the control center, and here you will see the dark mode as well. So to turn it off you would need to tap it once and now tap it again to turn it on. And that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you for watching.